Howdy Travel Trainers crew, Jacory Marshall here, your personal trainer. Welcome to another day of demonstrating exercises just for you. Before we get started, make sure you're cleared by your physician, and if you have any discomfort or pain, stop, assess the situation, and in case of an emergency, call 911. When I work out, I like to have my breaks, I like to have my water and towel. So let's get started. We're going to start with demonstrating bodyweight push-up variations today. To start, we will go to the floor with hands placed on the floor. Arms need to be a little wider than shoulder width apart and matching the chest line. Have feet on the floor next to each other and knees off the ground. You should now be in a body incline position. You will now flex the elbow and lower your body until you hover the ground. Hold for about half to 1 full second, then squeeze elbows back to straight position. Then relax. Congratulations, you have done 1 full correct push-up. Now if you're not able to do a full push-up, you would do the same motion, but with knees down on the ground instead of up in the air. Another push-up variation that works to getting to doing better push-ups is working on deep tissue muscles by doing a push-up hold. You want to start in the top portion of the push-up. From there, you will hold the position for 30, 45, or 60 seconds at a time. Then relax. For more exercise demonstrations, go visit us at travelingtrainers.com. Thank you.